that was also the moment nga kanang kung nag-surrender ko kay Lord. Ana ako kay Lord nga, Lord, I can't forgive them. You know my heart, you know what's inside of it. Good day. So, ako dahil si Samuel P. Santos and gusto na ko i-share akong testimony this day. And let's start ta sa kanang kung kumbaga sa past. And kato, nagdako ko sa family nga kanang kumbaga family lang siya. Na imong mama dra, na imong papa, but dili niyo ma-feel ang kanang love, ang care, but it's all kanang kumbaga provide lang imong needs, provide lang kanang pang-eskwela anak good. And gusto lang ako i-mention katong part nga kuan gyud. Katong part nga gibag-o gyud ko ni Lord, and it's all because, and it's all about unforgiveness. So my father was a kind of man kanang kumbaga palahubog kaayo anak good. Kanang sige lag inom almost every day, almost every week kana hubog. And that thing caused me kanang pain sa akong childhood and even as I grow older. So my father was a drunkard. There are times sa kanang kuan usahay bahalag wala mi kaunon, bahalag kanang walay sudan dira, walay allowance, basta na lang siya panginom. Kanang usahay kanang napatay mga times nga kanang mostly mo na ginaawayan jud kanang mag-eskwela ka nga kanang paghawa niyo sung balay kay kanang kuan gubot, then mo uli ka nga away gyapon. And during those times, all those experiences na ako sa akong father, and all I can say kanang dili gyud siya maayo gud. Baga as a father dapat diling ana ang kuan, diling ana ang experience nimo, diling ana ang ginapakita sa kuan as a family. And that causes me a lot of pain as I grow older. And that leads me also kanagong kumbaga because of that moment, because of that thing, tungod sa kanang pagpalubog sa akong papa, kumbaga nagdako ko kanagong kumbaga daghan ko kanang mga curses, mga bitterness akong kasing-kasing, kanagod mga usa kanang hatred ana towards my parents, especially sa akong papa gid ana, because sayang mga ginabuhat. And everything has changed when I encountered Christ. During those times, kumbaga kanagong amazing kayo si Lord jud. So na-encounter nako si Lord first when I was high school, but wala pa dira nagsugod ang tanan kumbaga it's all started tong times sa kanagong nadakpan ko ni Lord through abot kamay ministry. So this ministry really helps me with this unforgiveness sa akong kasing-kasing. I remember during those times katong naga-apply ko fellowship, and eventually nag-apply ko kanang mga cell lesson, and there is particular lesson there kanang kumbaga kitudlo sa kuan, kitudlo po nila sa abot kamay ministry, and it's all about unforgiveness. So unforgiveness, so the one topic there is kanang kumbaga it's your forgiveness towards your parents. And knowing nga kung papa is kanang palahubog kaayo, naging responsible, that was also the time nga kanang nakaingon ko kay Lord nga, Lord, how can I honor them? How can I forgive them if ingani akong nabatian sa ilaha? All those kanang pain sa akong kasing-kasing, I asked the Lord nga, Lord, how can I honor them if kani akong nagian sa ilaha? If wala na ako na-feel ang love, wala na ako na-feel ang care na supposed to be silang maghatag. And nasa lesson dito is kanang nasabtan ko na ako kanang why I need to forgive them. So number one is kanang naapod sa command ni Lord God, sa dito sa iyang 5th commandment nga, honor your father and your mother. And that was also the time nga na-question ko kay Lord nga, Lord, how can I honor them? Base lang mga gibinuhatan. How can I forgive them? Anak. But I know myself, nag-ingon ko nag-surrender ko kay Lord nga, Lord, you know my heart. I tell the Lord nga, Lord, you know my heart. You know what's inside of it. You know nga, I can't forgive my parents. It's because every time I see my parents, all I can say unto them is kanang, kumbaga, it's all pain, it's all bitterness, it's all hatred towards them. Na mo na ang nasa akong heart, and that was also the moment nga kanang kung nag-surrender ko kay Lord. Ana ako kay Lord nga, Lord, I can't forgive them. You know my heart, you know what's inside of it. And that was also the time nga kanang kung I believe in God. Kanang kung nagtuon ko kay Lord nga, Lord, take my heart. I surrendered everything kay Lord nga. Ana ako kay Lord nga, Lord, I can't forgive them. So just have your way. Just have your way in my heart. Change this heart. Because this is also your will to forgive them. So that was also the moment nga ako nakaingo kay Lord nga, Lord, it is true, Lord. Even your words, nagingon si Lord sa iyang word nga, nagingon siya dito nga, forgive those who sins against you as I forgive you. So basically, kanagong sakit kisa kasing-kasing nga, dali lang magpasaylo, but gani si Lord nga, dili ka pasayloon ni Lord if ikaw mismo dili ka magpasaylo sa imong isig ka tao, especially sa akong parents ko gito. And when I surrendered everything kay God, that was also the moment nga ako nakafeel ko kanang peace, nakafeel ko love towards kay Lord, towards sa akong parents pod. Kanagod kanagong before makita na akong parents, makita na ko sila, I feel hatred, I feel bitterness, but when God changed my heart, He replaced it with, every time makita na akong parents na kung gibag ko na ako ni Lord, all I can feel is kanagong love na, kanagong every time makita na ko sila, kanagong ma-happy ko, kanagong na ako'y peace. And every time makita na ko sila, kanagong instead of kanang ginahate ako sila, instead of kanang gina-curse na ko sila, I learned to forgive them and I learned to pray for them. Kanagong it's all about God. Kanagong it's all because of Him. Everything I have done, kanagong everything nga kanagong nabuhat nako, it's all because of God. And without Him, it's also impossible kanagong mapasaylo nako sila. And katulang pod, I would like also to encourage everyone kanagong anyone nga kanagong na hatred towards their parents, surrender everything to God. Kanagong dili man nimo kaya sila pasayloon, but God can change your heart. He can totally change that heart. He can give you peace and love. And also, God can give the love nga wala nahatag sa mong parents, because God is also our Father.